What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the 2017 MacBook Air. I purchased this MacBook on Amazon for about $330, but the price is gonna fluctuate a lot because the last time I checked, it went all the way up to $340. This is an Amazon renewed product, so it's not a brand new MacBook, but I wanted to purchase this MacBook because I would be using it for some light coding in Swift, so might as well get something that isn't super expensive but can still do the job. But before we get started with the unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's unbox this MacBook. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see in here, we have a charger, and then we have a little Amazon renewed packet, kind of explaining the warranties and that you're covered, because worst comes to worst, the product's broken or something, you want to get that fixed. And then of course, the main attraction, the MacBook, and it's in this like bubble wrap casing. Remove that. But yeah, we have the MacBook here, and let's first take out the charger, see what we got here. So we have one of those MagSafe chargers. It's 85 watts. We have a big power brick. Let's do a little length test. It's quite long, extends pretty far. It's a specific Apple technology that only works with MacBooks. But yeah, 85 watt charger. Now, let's open up this MacBook. All right. There's another plastic wrapping covering it, but here's this MacBook. I'm gonna take off this wrap. Yeah, here we have it. There's no scratches on the outside, which I really like. It's very thin. See that thin? We have ports on each side. That's why I wanted to get one of these, because they still have ports and I wouldn't have to get like a little extension with all the ports that I need. MacBook right here, we have the nice 13-inch screen. It has 256 gigabytes of solid state drive storage, has an Intel i5 core processor, and it has 8 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, so it's been a couple weeks since I first unboxed the product, and all I really did notice was that on the bottom right corner of the MacBook, there is a little scratch, but I mean, scratches don't really cause any software damage or anything that's really gonna take away from my use with the device. So yeah, a scratch was there when I first got it, but other than that, I think that it's honestly just practically brand new. I did get one that was in excellent condition, but of course, you know, there still could be mishaps with that. Battery life is great. Like, I'm getting good couple hours on YouTube, Netflix, maybe coding or something, and then I have to go charge it. One thing I did notice though, compared to my HP laptop that I have, this MacBook, when I use it while it's charging, it does get kind of hot. Not super hot where it's alarming, but definitely on the lower, like on each side of the touchpad, around that area, it does get kind of hot. And it didn't really happen with my HP, but there's different battery placement, so of course, if the battery is right there, then it's gonna feel warmer in those areas. But other than that, this MacBook has been amazing. And even though it is an Amazon renewed product, it feels brand new. So make sure that if you do decide to purchase an Amazon renewed product, or you're thinking about getting something and you don't want to pay that full brand new price, look at some renewed options. I think Amazon is really secure. So overall, I think this Amazon renewed experience was really good. And I would gladly get another product that's renewed if I don't want to get the latest and greatest brand new Apple product or any other product. But I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing and a little bit of a review slash first impressions. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.